Okay, welcome students to another session of activities. The activity number 6. Now, in this, we have to identify a diode, an LED, a transistor, an IC, a resistor and a capacitor from a mixed collection of these items. You can see that there are so many items I have pasted here. Here also I have pasted a few items. Now this mixture is given to you and your activity is to identify which are what. Okay, among this. So here the basic identification is if you have more than 3 legs, that is based on the terminals or legs we are identifying. So let us see which is the device with so many legs. Here I see 3 legs, no. 3 legs, no. Here you see 2 legs everywhere. Now here you see multi-legs. So multi-legs means this is an IC. IC means integrated circuit in which you have endorsed in this diode, transistors and many other things. Okay, many other electronic devices. Now coming to next number of legs, that is 3 legs. So those with 3 legs are known as transistors. Now as you can see here, all of these are having only 2 legs. Okay. So here you can see these are 3 legs. So these are transistor, maybe NPN or PNP. We will do it in other activity to identify which is a PNP transistor and which is a NPN transistor. Only thing you have to identify now is since these are having 3 legs, so these will be transistors. Now the remaining all are having 2 legs. Okay. So they may be, I don't know now, they may be diode, they may be LED, they may be resistor, they may be capacitor. Identification of components, that is 2-leg components with the help of current flow. Okay, so first of all, you can see that here is a diode and a LED. These two are semiconductor devices you have learned, and LED means light emitting diode, one which emits light and another is a also semiconductor diode. Both of them work in forward bias and there is a unidirectional with no light emission and unidirectional current with light emission. Only the difference is this. Now let us see here. Okay, so this one is semiconductor diode with 2 terminals here. Okay, and as you can quickly identify, these two are the LEDs, light emitting diodes. Okay, so these two are diodes, and now the resistor. You have already seen the resistors because in resistor you have color codes. Okay, so B.B. Roy of Great Britain, which you have already known, see color bands are there in the resistors. Here is also another resistor. So these are resistor, and if we check this resistance of the resistor, which we have found with the help of color code, we will get the ohm resistance in ohm with the help of multimeter also. Now coming to the capacitor. Capacitor में कोई current flow नहीं होगा. It is a storage of power or charge, you know. So here this one is a cylindrical capacitor. There are many types of capacitor. These are cylindrical capacitor. These are paper capacitors, and as required we manufacture different types of capacitors. Now one property of the capacitor I would like to share with you which is not here, and that is if you see this, and I'll show you this capacitor, that is you can just see quickly. See, some readings are there, then suddenly the readings are gone. That means, you know, this is charging and discharging. Because this is having a battery, so it gets charged and instantly gets discharged.